morning, everyone. So I am now ready and I'm now ready to go get the kids breakfast and take them to school. So I'll do that first and then I'm gonna come back and clean. Now this video is part of a collaboration with Nikki from Inspired by Nikki, and it is the Sunrise Clean With Me challenge. And I'll put a link down below for all the ladies who are participating in this challenge. You could take a look at the playlist and get some motivation to clean your home before the sun rises. So we're just heading out now to take the kids to school. They're waiting on the porch right now. I'm just gonna get my jacket on and my coat, and hat, scarf, because it's still cold here in Canada. So I'm just gonna do that and get going. Okay guys, so I am back from dropping the kids off from school, and so I need to take my jacket off. My youngest is at home. She's gonna be staying home because she's not feeling well. And so now it's time to get started cleaning. Okay guys, so I'm now done my morning routine, and I'm now gonna just go on to just little things that I have to do around the house. I do have to bake some chocolate chip cookies later on, and get dinner done before the kids come home. So I'm going to be working on those things now, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it gave you some motivation to get up before the sun rises and get going with your morning routine, whatever that might be. And don't forget to check out the playlist below for all the ladies who are participating. And if you're not familiar with Nikki's channel, I'll leave a link down below and you can check her channel out as well. She has really inspiring videos. She does cleaning videos and organization videos and clothing try-ons and favorites. So I do cleaning videos, organization videos, decluttering videos, as well as recipes and DIYs for the home and for kids. And so if you're interested in that, go ahead and check my channel out, and I hope you do subscribe. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.